This video explains how to create multiple unique test versions manually. Click on the Tests tab in the main menu and select New Test. Enter the test name and, optionally, a description. Define the test settings in the second step and decide whether to include a certificate in the third step. In the fourth step, select the Pick Questions from Pools or create them on the spot. You can import the questions from pools or create new questions directly in the test creation wizard. Let's add a couple of questions from the pool. Now you can also create an additional version of this test and distribute different versions to your candidates, for example, to prevent cheating. Click on Add More Test Versions. Test versions can contain independent combinations of questions imported from pools and manually created questions. You can create as many versions as you require, give them appropriate names, edit them further, or delete them. Here you can also randomize question or answer order. Randomization applies to every test version. In the next step, you should configure grading. As you can see, if you have several versions of the same test, you can define the passing mark in percentages. Then you can set a descriptive passing mark for each pool in any of the test versions. Note this passing mark does not influence a final score. Review the test and click the Finish Wizard button. Note that you can modify test versions and questions in the Questions tab. You can see the question pools and questions when selecting the test version. You can adjust the randomization options that apply to all versions or add more questions to any version in the same way before you publish the test. Click the View Question Statistics button to examine the success ratio or question occurrence. To publish the test, organize a testing session. Enter its name, define the availability period, and optionally associate this session with location, training, or user group. Click the Save button and assign the candidates who will take the test in this session. If you want to assign different candidates for different test versions manually, click on Assign Version Manually. Select the candidates and from the drop-down menu, choose the test version that will be distributed to candidates in this session. Finally, publish the test, which will appear in the Assignments tab of all assigned candidates.